So I replace these rubber seats about once a year in my shower because it starts dripping. And this is the first time I've ever used the plumber's grease, the non-petroleum based plumber's grease, and it seems like that has helped a lot. So the main point of this video is really to demonstrate that you want to use the plumber's grease liberally on the cartridge face, and the rubber seats that go back into the holes in the shower valve. But get that non-petroleum plumber's grease and use it all over.